As you mentioned, so I'm privileged to lead Fincantieri Marinette Marine in Marinette, Wisconsin, and we build warships. So it's our job to build the ships that will help deter and, if necessary, defeat potential foreign adversaries such as the PLAN. But my shipyard is owned by Fincantieri. In the United States, the Fincantieri Marine Group owns several yards in Wisconsin and down in Florida. And then worldwide, Fincantieri internationally is the largest shipbuilder in the free world, or I should say in the Western world. I don't want to exclude Japan or South Korea from the free world. But it is interesting and instructive, the products that Fincantieri builds. We build cruise ships, we build warships, and we build ships that service the wind and oil and gas. Think offshore energy and all of its different components, whether that's wind industry or oil and gas, across our different lines of business. We don't build container ships. We don't build large crude. We don't build any of those commodity ships because subsidized Chinese industry has basically cornered the market on those. If you are a shipbuilder who has to compete on a fair level around the world, you end up building ships where your quality will make a difference, where your customer will want the higher quality, and it's not a cookie cutter ship. That tends to be cruise ships, that tends to be warships, that tends to be ships that service the energy industry. The cookie cutter ships, because of Chinese subsidies, are now built in China. And that is a problem for the United States because it is much harder to maintain an industrial base, both at the shipyard and all the great companies that supply ships of what they need, a robust and healthy industrial base, if you're only supplying into primarily the military market. If you don't have a large commercial shipbuilding market to supply into, you don't get a healthy industrial base. And so, that's kind of the state of play and where we see ourselves